Morning guys, and in front of me is Redmi 15C, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select personalization. Here mark wallpaper, and now just slide down to pick. It's actually for your lock screen, so let me pick this one, tap on apply, and now decide if you want to set it on both home and lock screens. If you want to do it, just mark apply to both, and that's it. If you'll tap here, you can start with the home screen, and then it's working all the same, so you can pick either a picture for home screen only or for both home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.